our novel insecticide formulation for residual spraying. We will provide you with detailed guidelines to apply it correctly, realize its full potential, and effectively fight mosquitoes to protect people from diseases such as dengue. For a better understanding, let's take a look at the application processes in more detail. The proper usage and application of K-Othrin Polyzone begins with pressurizing your spray tank correctly. Start by placing one foot onto the footrest to hold the spray tank. Then pull the plunger. Use the pressure gauge to monitor the tank pressure. Keep pumping until the pressure reaches 55 psi. The recommended operating pressure ranges between 35 and 55 psi. Repressurize as soon as the pressure drops below 35 psi. During longer spray breaks, release the pressure from the spray tank. Secondly, remember to always follow the proper spraying methods. For maximum efficiency, the insecticide solution must be applied evenly onto the target surface. Always maintain the correct distance, angle, and speed of spraying. Make sure to stand 1 meter away from the spray surface. A distance of 45 centimeters between the nozzle and spray surface should be maintained. This will ensure that the spray swath can achieve 75 centimeters width. To assure the desired nominal deposit, the spray should be applied at a rate of 4 liters, 100 square meters, or to a point of runoff. However, runoff may not be attained on very absorbent surfaces. These surfaces should be thoroughly wetted. To promote an even coverage on surfaces with edges, spray a 5 centimeter overlap. When spraying walls, start from top to bottom in a vertical pattern. Then repeat this step, spraying from bottom to top in the next swath. The correct spraying speed is to cover 2 meters of surface within 5 seconds. Now, let's be more specific for different situations. Sheltered walls should be treated with a full residual spray from ground level up to a maximum height of 3 meters. On the other hand, walls exposed to rainfall should be treated with a targeted residual spray. Here, only immediate areas around windows, door frames, ventilation holes, and the underneath eaves above windows are to be sprayed. During application, pay particular attention to covered and shaded areas where adult mosquitoes tend to land or rest. This also goes for windows and doorways where mosquitoes may enter. But be cautious. Do not spray directly into exposed drains. Only spray the inside surfaces of drains that are covered. Treatment can also be applied to non-edible, non-flowering plants located within a 1.5 meter range around a house or apartment building. When it comes to multi-leveled flats or apartments, treat levels where dengue cases have been identified. This includes the flats located on the immediate level above and below. Make sure to also prepare the site you are working in. Check all aquariums or ponds in and around the site that may contain aquatic animals. Ensure they are covered properly before application. Ensure that all persons and pets are safely kept away from the treatment area until surfaces are dry. Remove or cover all furnishings, clothes, decorations, or other items such as pet food or water containers. Move all furniture away from walls and other surfaces that will be treated. Protect all edibles, food preparing equipment, and eating utensils. During application, keep the following in mind. Spray systematically around the area. Always maintain the spray speed of 5 seconds per 2 meters. Be careful when applying treatment near electrical power points. Do not inhale spray mist. Do not eat, drink, or smoke during application. Do not apply prior to a rainfall event forecasted in the next 24 hours. Do not touch treated areas before residues are dry. Do not treat edible or flowering plants, such as fruiting trees. Do not apply to large areas of flowering plants where pollinators may forage. Do not spray on food or surfaces on which food is stored, prepared or eaten. Do not treat areas around aquariums and fish ponds. Do not spray on surfaces that are washed regularly. In short, when working with Keothrin Polyzone, 1. Begin with pressurizing your spray tank correctly. 2. Follow the proper spraying methods. 3. Consider the type of site you are treating and prepare it accordingly. Follow the listed do's and don'ts during the entire application. At Bayer, training and stewardship is an essential part of 360-degree vector control. And for Keothrin Polyzone, training ensures effective product application for the best possible outcome and a better life for the community. If you want to learn more about Keothrin Polyzone or other innovative Bayer solutions, please visit vectorcontrol.bayer.com.
Bayer. Science for a better life.